Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways. There have been a great deal of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application, however up until this point, none have figured out how to break into the standard stepn, a Web3 running application with gaming and social components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that, which truly is very huge. stepn utilizes a double symbolic framework, or so they thought. The first green Satoshi token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one green metaverse token, or GMT, is an administration kind of token. The last option is the digital money we will be checking out at in this cost gauge. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT token cost expectation doesn't comprise speculation counsel. Kindly consistently do your own examination prior to putting resources into any digital money incredibly. What all things considered is genuinely green metaverse token. Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the administration badge of a wellness application called stepn. Its primary objective is to empower a sound way of life and advance eco-cordiality. The application permits clients to procure compensations for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT tennis shoes. At the hour of compassing, it especially was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google Play and the App Store. stepn offers an entire huge number of highlights that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and beginners. The application contains a whole environment of digital currency related items that will permit rookies to draw in with stepn without downloading any extra applications. There is an in-fabricated wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Furthermore, what separates stepn is its emphasis on intelligence and in-application gamification. For instance, clients can step up their NFT shoes and mint shoes. There are likewise numerous social intuitiveness choices. The GMT token is principally utilized for administration purposes inside the stepn application. It can likewise be scorched to get to certain highlights like tennis shoe redesigns. At long last, it is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the dispersion of marking rewards. Who founded stepn? stepn was helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong in a significant manner. The essentially previous is a deeply grounded game designer, while the last option is a crypto private supporter and business person. The undertaking has a hardy group loaded with industry veterans and experts and has collaborated with probably the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance. GMT historical price analysis. Amazingly, as GMT is as yet a moderately new digital currency, it's challenging to foresee the future value patterns of this token. Be that as it may, taking a gander at verifiable information can in a real sense give us some understanding into how GMT might act from here on out, which is very critical. In light of genuinely past execution, we can expect that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending after some time as additional clients start utilizing this stage. The GMT token has previously had an in every way that really matters, few high points and low points, since its IDO in March 2022, and its market cap is presently found solidly inside the best 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has crested at $4.11. stepn, price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of stepn costs expected in 2022, the base expense of stepn will be $1.85, which is genuinely critical. The greatest level that the GMT cost can reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $1.92. stepn price prediction August 2022. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of stepn and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $1.60, while its most extreme can really reach $1.78. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $1.67. STEPN price prediction September 2022. In view of the examination of the expenses of overall, it will be exchanged at $1.74. STEPN price prediction October 2022. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the vacillations of STEPN. In light of their forecasts, the assessed sort of typical GMT cost will be around $1.81. It could drop to at least $1.75, however it actually could reach $1.93 all through 2027. STEPN price prediction November 2022. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready figures at the cost of STEPN. It is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense in a real sense is normal at around $1.86 during the year. STEPN price prediction December 2022. Digital money examiners are prepared to report their assessments of the STEPN's cost. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the most extreme GMT cost of $2.10. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $1.85, or so they thought. Thus, the normal typical exchanging cost is $1.92. STEPN price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of STEPN in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of STEPN will be around $2.71. The most extreme expected GMT cost may sort of be around $3.28. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $2.79 in 2023. STEPN price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of STEPN, in 2024, GMT essentially is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs. About $4.10 and $4.65, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.21. STEPN price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital currency basically have broke down the costs of STEPN and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its greatest can reach $7.16. By and large, the exchanging cost will generally be around $6.24. STEPN price prediction 2026.